Alright, we have this IC mask right here. We have a few of them in here. Let me kind of open this up. So here's the IC mask. Let's throw a ruler on it. You've seen this in many videos, this ruler. The box is almost 9 inches with those tabs, 9.5 plus the IC itself. I almost don't want to open this until a little less than 6, probably by 6. Yep, 6 by 6. It's 36, some people say. Actually, it is. Alright, now I was instructed that there's something in here. There's like a really fine something in here is really fine, like there's a piece of plastic on something. Wow. Is this the new M2 Max chip from... No, it isn't. Look at that. That is not glass. That is a piece of plastic. And I was told that if you touch that, it'll break right through. It's glued along here. That's not glass. You start touching it like it is. You touch that, it'll break. Absolutely amazing. Look at all that. I don't know how that electricity works. That's amazing. Something like this. Comes in this case, which is probably... This whole industry is just really expensive. Semiconductors, chips, and let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. That's 30. 31, and then there's some other little ideas there. Under a magnifying glass, I bet you that'd look really interesting. I don't know if this works. I'll see if I can take a still of that. That's just really neat. Learning aid. I do not know a whole bunch of information on this other than it's what I was told that it was a mask. Tokyo, Japan. Printing Co. Nice. Well, there you have it.